Hello everyone. Today we will discuss Nursing Exam MCQs 2025. Practice set 19. So let's get started. World Health Day is observed annually on. Correct answer is A. April 7th. World Health Day marks the anniversary of the founding of the World Health Organization WHO in 1948 and focuses on global health issues. Next question. What is the primary goal of a nutrition assessment? Correct answer is B. To assess nutrient intake. A nutrition assessment evaluates dietary intake, anthropometric measures, and clinical signs to assess nutritional status. Next question. What is a key characteristic of protein energy malnutrition PEM? Correct answer is C. Low protein and energy intake. PEM results from insufficient protein and energy intake, leading to growth retardation and muscle wasting. Next question. Which vitamin deficiency is most commonly associated with rickets? Correct answer is B. Vitamin D. Vitamin D deficiency leads to rickets, causing bone deformities due to impaired calcium absorption. Next question. World AIDS Day is commemorated every year on. Correct answer is B. December 1st. World AIDS Day raises awareness about the HIV per AIDS pandemic and mourns those who have died of the disease. Next question. What is the primary objective of a community nutrition program? Correct answer is D. To improve nutritional health of a community. Community nutrition programs aim to enhance the overall health by addressing nutritional deficiencies and promoting healthy eating habits. Next question. World Environment Day is observed on. Correct answer is C. June 5th. This UN designated day promotes global awareness and action for environmental protection. Next question. Which is the main objective of health policy and planning? Correct answer is B. To address economic and social aspect of health. Health policy and planning aim to organize resources and strategies for improving public health considering economic and social factors. Next question. What is the goal of the 5-year plans in India? Correct answer is B. To plan economic development for the country. The 5-year plans in India focus on economic development, including the improvement of healthcare, education, and other key sectors. Next question. Which of the following is not a level of healthcare? Correct answer is D. Executive. Primary, secondary, and tertiary are levels of healthcare, while executive refers to government leadership. Next question. The Indian National Congress was founded in which year? Correct answer is B. 1885. The INC played a crucial role in the Indian independence movement. It was founded in Bombay, now Mumbai. Next question. Who is the author of the book The Discovery of India? Correct answer is B. Jawaharlal Nehru. Nehru wrote this book while he was imprisoned during the Indian independence movement, reflecting on Indians' history and culture. Next question. Mental retardation is characterized by which of the following? Correct answer is B. Below average intellectual functioning. Mental retardation is defined by significantly below average intellectual functioning and limitations in adaptive behavior. Next question. Which of the following is a common symptom of sexual disorders? Correct answer is B. Loss of interest in sexual activity. Sexual disorders often involve issues like a loss of sexual desire or dysfunction during intercourse. Next question. ADHD is primarily characterized by which of the following? Correct answer is A. Impulsivity and inattention. ADHD is a behavioral disorder marked by inattention, hyperactivity, and impulsivity. Next question. What is a key feature of hemoglobin? Correct answer is B. It carries oxygen in the blood. Hemoglobin is a protein in red blood cells that binds oxygen and transports it to tissues. Next question. Gitanjali is a collection of poems by. Correct answer is C. Rabindranath Tagore. Tagore received the Nobel Prize in Literature in 191. Next question. What does a liver function test primarily assess? Correct answer is C. Liver enzyme activity. Liver function tests measure enzymes like ALT and AST to assess liver health and identify damage. Next question. Which is a major characteristic of community nutrition programs? Correct answer is B. Emphasis on population-wide health improvement. Community nutrition programs aim at improving overall health and nutrition in the entire community, not just specific individuals. Next question. Which vitamin is most important for the immune system? Correct answer is B. Vitamin C. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in immune function and helps protect against infections. Next question. In which of the following conditions is liver function test most commonly used? Correct answer is B. Hepatitis. Liver function tests are used to diagnose and monitor liver conditions such as hepatitis. Next question. Which of these is a typical feature of sexual disorders in man? Correct answer is B. Erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction is a common sexual disorder in man, characterized by difficulty in achieving or maintaining an erection. Next question. What is the primary role of vitamins in nutrition? Correct answer is B. Regulate body processes. Vitamins are essential for various metabolic processes and help in maintaining overall body function. Next question. Which type of health policy primarily focuses on providing equal access to health care for all citizens? Correct answer is A. National health policy. National health policies aim to ensure equal access to health care services for all citizens, addressing both rural and urban needs. Next question. What is the primary aim of mental retardation intervention? Correct answer is B. To provide lifelong support and care. Mental retardation requires long term care and support for developmental and educational needs. Next question. What is the key symptom of sexual dysfunction in women? Correct answer is A. Decreased libido. A common symptom of sexual dysfunction in women is a decreased interest or desire for sexual activity. Next question. In the ABCD assessment of nutrition, what does B stand for? Correct answer is B. Biochemical measurements. Biochemical measurements assess nutritional deficiencies through blood tests and other laboratory analysis. Next question. Which of the following is not a symptom of ADHD in children? Correct answer is B. Social withdrawal. ADHD symptoms primarily include inattention, impulsivity, and hyperactivity, not social withdrawal. Next question. The major component of the 5-year plans in India related to healthcare is. Correct answer is B. Rural healthcare development. One of the core focuses of India's 5-year plans is to improve healthcare access in rural areas. Next question. International Women's Day is celebrated on. Answer is A. March 8th. This day celebrates the social, economic, cultural, and political achievements of women and calls for gender equality.